Do you want to learn Afrobeat dance style? Are you wondering how you can dance perfectly as a beginner? Here we have some easy African dance moves that you can learn in a few minutes. So, certainly, the Afrobeat dance is a vibrant and energetic style that originates from Africa, particularly the parts of Nigeria and Ghana. So, to dance Afrobeat, you can start by listening to Afrobeat music to get to feel the rhythm and the beat. The movement in Afrobeat dance often involves a lot of hip and waist movement, as well as footwork, and also synchronizes with the music tempo and the beat. So, if you have been wondering how you can learn some Afrobeat, today we are going to show you how to dance attractively and be a dancing pro.
Facebook na Twitter yonde vyeku na kompyuta achini kudoganya hata muntu goroba iguita kila mita na goro roboti garicha binadamu jie muro katinda wasamari moyonde technology modernity modernity Dike kuro na dike tume kumalezi Technology modernity Dike dari mona nikiri masageti Technology neze ganando ku stress atovambia kwa garikeno kurutira sende kura kwa raganya masingira doai kuraganto na winge anto betu kuno rachanguru wen yango pia to na kurugan wan cinema.
Due to some violent content.